Hello lovely people and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you that not only a wood you can paint with a chalk paint. I am painting this old plastic mirror and a small laminate cabinet, creating a lot of texture with the chalk paint. Let's tune in. I covered the mirror with a coat of a country grey chalk paint first. Let it dry, and now I am stippling in the French linen, creating the low and the high points. I let the second coat dry and picked two more colors, olive and graphite. As I am going to blend the colors together, I am putting a little bit of each on the paper plate. I don't want to saturate the paint in the tints. I am tapping each color randomly, blending them together. Then, I am adding a French linen to the mix. And I am tapping the paint in, blending the colors and creating a texture, using a separate brush for each color. When I am happy with the blend, I let the piece dry. And then I am dry brushing it with a French linen. Often people ask me if it is difficult to create a desired result with a chalk paint. I think when you learn the basics, it is quite easy. But you do need a lot of patience. Start with a little bit of paint, add more, step back, take a break, and maybe rethink and even redo. When I finished with the dry brushing, I covered the mirror with a clear wax, following with a white wax. The wax will seal the paint and enhance the colors. I will show you how the mirror turned out when I finish with the cabinet. And I also painted one more piece of furniture for this bathroom. Keep watching. Here is the small cabinet with the sink. It is a laminate piece of furniture. Let's see what we can do with it. I've chosen a French linen chalk paint as a base color, and I am tapping it in. A tip: if you ever paint the cabinet which is already attached to the wall, better put a tape on the wall to protect it. I am using the olive paint in the middle and graphite on the corners and the edges. Then I am tapping the colors together, blending them, adding some French linen into the mix. You can choose any colors for the project like this. My choice of the darker colors was because I wanted to create a masculine atmosphere in this shower room. Sorry, the video is a bit dark. I didn't think I needed more light here, but it will get better later on. I am randomly changing the brushes and tapping the colors together. As you can see, all I am doing is creating more and more texture. That is one way to enhance this kind of boring piece of furniture. Then I decided to make a wash with the old white chalk paint. I think it will bring all the colors together nicely. I also tap in the white wax. It makes the colors muted and deep and gives the piece cloudy, smoky effect. Keep watching, I have one more piece to finish. I thought this cute piece will fit perfectly in the small bathroom. Here I am mixing a Paris plaster with a chalk paint to create a texture on this little piece. 2 parts of plaster to 1 part of paint. You can use more plaster or more paint, depending on the texture you want to create. I am covering the stand with the paint every each way. Because I am going to sand it later, I don't bother to cover it well with the paint. Next step is a wash with the old white paint. And I'm wiping off the excesses with a wet cloth. Then I sanded the whole piece. To bring the colors together, I am covering the piece with a clear wax. I have let it dry overnight first. And covering it with the black wax, kind of brushing the black wax in. You can see how it creates the shadows. finished result. Thank you for watching. If you are interested to watch more videos with many fun techniques using chalk paint, please subscribe. I value your opinion and would really love to see your comments below.